So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today let's solve another leetcode problem, which is keys and room, and its number is 841 keys and room, and it is a medium level. So let's first understand the question, and then we will try to understand how we can solve that. And I will write the code and I will explain you the code line by line to you. So let's first read the question and understand. So there are n rooms labeled from 0 to n minus 1, and all the rooms are locked except for room 0. Your goal is to visit all the rooms. However, you cannot enter a locked room without having its key. When you visit a room, you may find a set of distinct keys in it. Each key has a number on it denoting which room it unlocks, and you can take all of them with you to unlock the other rooms. Given an array rooms where rooms of I is the set of the keys that you can obtain if you visited room I. Return true if you can visit all the rooms or false otherwise. Okay, so the first example one is rooms, and here there is the keys. Okay, room one, room two, yeah, room zero, room one, room two, room three, and these are the keys one, two, three. Okay, we visit room zero. Okay, and pick the key one. We can visit room one. Okay, this is the room one, and we are picking the key of two. Now we can visit room two, and we are picking the key three, and then we can visit room three. Okay, so we have visited all the rooms. That is why we will output as true. Okay, now the example two. These are room zero, room one, room two, room three, and these are the keys. One, three, 301. We cannot enter the room 2. Okay. 012. We cannot enter the room 2 since the only key that includes that unlocks it is in that room. As we are not able to enter the room 2, we are output as false over here. So see over here, 1 and 3 is there. So we have a keys for first and 3. For here, we are having we are having keys for 0, 3, and 1. But at the 2, we can't enter as it is the keys present in that 2 itself. It is a room 2 and the key is present in 2. If the 2 was over here, we would have been able to enter over 2 also, but it is not present over here. So that is why we will give output as false. As a key is present in that room itself, but it should present over here or here, but it is not present and it is present in that room number. So the room number is 2 and there itself the key is, but the key should be not in that room but some other place. It should be over 0, 1 or 3, but it is in that same room. That is why we output as false. So hope you understood this explanation, and let's try to solve this problem by writing a code. What we can do is I will be starting the code, and after completing the code, I will explain you the working of it, and I will explain you the code line by line too. So let's first write down the code. Visited equal to, it will be a set. Okay. Next, what we require is visited. Yeah, stack is required. In that CO will be there, and we will write while stack. Okay, what we can do is we can stack dot pop. Okay, and save it into visited add the room which we have got. Now we will enter it in the room for key in rooms of room if key not in visited stack dot append key, and in the last return length of the is visited equal to length of room. Okay, and I will run and show you. It is, yeah, it is getting accepted. Okay, so what we I have done over here is I have took one set. Okay, in that we will include all the keys. Okay, we will store into the key, and here we have to stack. Okay, and we have kept in that list zero, and then we have took a while loop while there is some keys in that stack. We will run this while loop. So we will remove one of the keys. Will be from the last. We will remove one of the key and store it in the room, and that we will add in that visited. And okay, and here what we are doing is in the each room there are keys. Like here you can see 1 and 3 is there. So we are taking that key and we are checking that if that key is present in that visited. If it is not there in the visited, we are appending that in the stack. So 1 and 3 is not present in the visited. So we will add 0, comma 1, comma 3. Okay, so like that we will add, but we will do one by one. First one and then three. Okay, we will not directly take 1 and 3, but first we will take one and we will check if it is not there in the visited, then we will add that. Same for the three also. We will check if three is there or not in the visited, and then we will add that. If it is not there, we will add that in the stack. And then we will check while stack. So over stack, we can see there is zero is there, one is there, three is there. So we will remove the last of the key and okay, and we will add that in the visited. So we will do this for each and every row, and after that we will check the visited length. How much is the length of the visited? If the length of the visited is equal to the length of the rooms, so over here the rooms are 1, 2, 3, 4, and the keys are also that much. Then that means it is a that means we can visit all the rooms. And if it is not equal, these two, then we will give it as a false. Okay. So yeah, this was the explanation and the code for keys and rooms. It is not that much hard, and you can easily understand this code also. It is not too much difficult. The difficulty level mentioned over here is medium, but according to me, it is not a medium, it is an easy level. So go through this code and try to understand the working of it and how it is working. Okay. So yeah, that's all for today in this video. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And I will meet you in the next video.